Hello and welcome to my video today. This is just a quick video on the brakes of the Fisker Ocean. I happen to have the wheel off on the front right side, and let me show you what that looks like. I have the front right wheel off right now, so I have a good look at the brakes. We have the rotor here, looks pretty good. We have a little bit of rust on the wheel hub, but that's pretty normal for most cars when you take the wheels off. It doesn't really affect anything. The brake caliper is right here. And as you can see, I have the brakes are on right now, so they are touching the rotor. But if you look at the thickness of the brakes, these brakes look practically new, I would say. There is very little wear on those. So I am guessing that, I think with the 2.2 update with the upgraded regen on both motors, we're going to see less brake wear on these brake pads, and I think you could easily last quite a few miles on this. My Tesla Model 3 has 72,000 miles and the brakes still look like they're in great condition. I am guessing we should get at least 50,000 miles on these before there's anything that needs to be done with that. FOA is looking at getting brake pads in any case because you never know. There may be some cars that do need it. And they are working on getting a customized brake pad so that we can purchase sometime, I'm hoping in 2025. But I just wanted to give you a quick look at the brake area here. I'm going to go on this side. It is a little dirty. Some more views for anybody that is curious of what the brake system looks like. And suspension. Yep, so just a quick video. I just want to show you what my brakes look like. This is after roughly 12,000 miles. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.